So, you're graduating high school soon. Congrats! But you still haven't filled out your FAFSA. We know it's hard. The whole college application process can feel like an annoying boss battle, but your FAFSA can be conquered if you just take it step by step. Step 1. Go to studentaid.gov/FSAID to create your FSAID. This is the electronic signature you'll use for all websites related to your federal student loans, including FAFSA. Keep in mind that your parent will also need to make their own FSAID in order to sign your FAFSA. Step 2. Gather all the documents you'll need. First, you'll need proof of identity, which could be either a social security number or an alien registration number if you're not a U.S. citizen. Also, don't forget your financial records, including the last 2 years of both your W-2s and the federal tax returns for your parent and for yourself if asked. Step 3. Use that ID you just made to log in and start your application. Okay, you log in yet? Focus! You literally have one job right now. After filling in some basic personal information, list your preferred schools, up to 10 total. If you know their federal school codes, enter them. If not, you can search for them by name and location. And don't worry, your list doesn't need to be complete, and you can always change it later. This part just makes it easier to get your info to the people you most want to see it. Next up are some questions about your dependency status. This part is a bit technical, but are you under 24? Then yeah, you're probably a dependent, which just means FAFSA needs some extra info about your parents. Finally, you will be asked to enter in financial information for your parents and for yourself. This is where you'll need the documents you've gathered. You may also be able to import your tax info via the internet directly into your application, using the IRS's handy data retrieval tool. The FAFSA site will walk you through the steps. Enter your FSA ID to confirm your info, and you've officially finished your FAFSA. Boss vanquished, your future saved. Not bad for a day's work.